New into stock, we have a Range Rover 4.4 TD V8. It's a Vogue, it's a 5-door, 2012 on a 12 plate, one owner from new, and it has 6 main dealer service stamps. The mileage is 50,672. Fuel economy, urban 24.6, extra urban 34.5, combined is 30.1. 0 to 60 time of 7.5 seconds, top speed of 130 miles an hour out of a 308 brake horsepower engine. Absolutely beautiful car, finished in Santorini black metallic with ebony leather, and I'll just tell you a little bit more about the service history. Road tax, £286 for 6 months and £520 for 12 months. Absolutely beautiful car. Now the service history, first serviced at 8,578 miles on the 1st of 3rd 2013 at Ribblesdale Land Rover, and then 16,817 at Ribblesdale again on the 2nd of April 2014, 25,366 Ribblesdale on the 16th of March 2015, 31,930 on the 29th of March 2016, again Ribblesdale, and 40,985 on the 21st of 3rd 2017, Ribblesdale, and 15th of March 2018 at 49,429 miles, again Ribblesdale. So full service history, and I do know that Ribblesdale are extremely good dealers. We've had a lot of cars that have come from them, and hopefully we'll get a lot more. Now then, about the car. Automatic, as you would expect. It has cruise control, it has electrically adjustable steering wheel, electric memory seats, and they're 3-position. You've got lumbar support, you've got TV, hands-free Bluetooth. It's got piano black insets to the doors and also the dashboard, multifunction steering wheel here, your telephone controls on the right hand side, cruise controls on the left hand side, paddle shift. We have an electric tilt and slide sunroof here. It's actually sunny in the UK today, so oops, put that shade band across. Climate control, we've got a heated front screen, big front centre armrest here with a storage compartment in, and then driver and passenger individual armrests, which are also adjustable up and down. 2 remote keys for it. Got cup holders in the front there. It has the rotary gear selector, so that comes out of the gear tunnel when you start the car, and in my opinion it's a lot better and not as intrusive as your ordinary gear stick. So you've got drive and sport, and again you can override both those with the paddle shifts there. Your terrain response here. We've got piano black with Range Rover. We've got power folding door mirrors, your electric window switches. You've also got a little switch here, which if you press it, I was going to say if you're short, but that's not politically correct, so I won't say that. It lowers the vehicle so it's easier to get out. I'll just show you in the back now. So sat in the back here is plenty of room. 2 adults really. The centre section is taken up with a fold down panel, 2 cup holders, somewhere to put your phone or oddments, and also an armrest for long distances. Really nice and comfortable in the back. We've got in the vehicle also, you've got heated seats for the back passengers here. You've got 2 cigarette lighters so your kids can charge up the Game Boys or whatever. In the back we've got a load cover, There's also a heavy duty rubber mat. The car's equipped with heavy duty rubber mats, and you've also got privacy glass in the back here. Nice and pleasant, it's keeping the sun off me at the moment. The back seats don't look like they're being sat in. It's a lovely car, lovely to drive, and even better to be chauffeured round in.